Hey guys, good morning. Ngayon, nasa Pilipinas tayo and I think it's 6 a.m. right now. We're gonna be packing because we're gonna go to airport later even though our flight is tomorrow. Madaling araw at 2 a.m. Sa Bulacan kami at baka matraffic pa kami. Alanganin. So, let's go pack now. What's up guys? We're in Terminal 2.
I look so white.
Terminal 2.
Davao, here we go.
Here we go. So, may nangyari. May dala-dala kasi si Dico ng chicharon. And so, it's not allowed guys. So, magdadala ng kahit anong pork. Kinemers. May pork bun sila. Hindi ko nga po alam eh. Mga tulog na sila guys.
Guess that's what I get for leaning into the best friend. Now I've got one more accent, two less hands here for holding. Ignored all of my reasons for running far from my feelings. Now I'm down on my knees and watching you as you're leaving. I hear you say goodbye and I say I'm fine, but really if I'm honest with myself, I'm a mess, total fake, thinking I might need some help. Cause I never change, always getting in my own way. Oh, look at this mess I made, look at this mess I made. Oh, I'll take the blame for making you hate my name. Oh, look at this mess I made, look at this mess I made. Oh, oh, look at this mess I made, look at this mess I made.
Welcome back to Davao. John? Say hi.
Hello. Hi.
Magkapihan, nakamove doon.
Hindi ko tataguro.
Tignan mo si Tita Sel.
Gugot.
Naka-move on.
Ay, naku. Outfit check.
Hiram.
You're at... Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. That's it.
Aliwagwag po! There's a lot of birds, so.
I'm almost lobat.
Ayun yun, at least yung Manila.
Napakalakas ng hangin, ang sarap. It's not mainit. Pag nag-fish.
Yung laman. Tapos ang
What's that? Pampano?
Parang kapatid siya ng pampano.
Ito ano to? Isla sa bato.
Isla sa bato. And
Wow.
torta.
What's that one?
Ang tawag dito? Blue marlin. Liplipan.
Swordfish. Wala lang ka din. Kuha. Ilang nita dito pa kami dito.
Kasi dito.
Kukuha ako din mo sa ano, sa labas.
Tignan mo heaven to.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Ay,
This one. It's a swordfish.
What's that?
Swordfish, guys. Swordfish. First time trying. So, let's get some.
Pasensya kayo ng ano, namita namin maliit.
lang. Meron pa doon sa kabila. Kasi
Sa labas.
Meron pa doon.
What are we going to do today?
We're gonna buy lobsters. So, let's go.
Fix yan, sir. Buhin pa ni sir. Ano yung mga bagong abot na mo? Buhin pa. Ano kaya yung isa ka-experience niyo? Si halo mo din.
Yung large lang po.
Ayun lang. Tupuin pa yan, sir.
walang tu.
Tupo 20.
Puto na lang.
Pwede.
Tapos pa. Still moving.
Ano yung move?
Nangingerpit siya.
Look at the eyes.
Okay. Wait. Look.
It's very round.
Pops, hindi na madali.
It's very sharp.
Yan, nagasan lang yun.
Photo 20.
Kaya bilang mo. Iba na yung bilo din.
Look at the difference from extra large and large.
Mayroon pa gani.
Oh, look at this.
Mas
Look at
gani
this
oh,
coral.
pinakamalaki.
Eggs yun, no?
Mayroon. Nasa ilalim.
Eggs.
Oh, ito yun.
Compared to large. So this is the
Extra large.
extra large. This is a large. Look at that. This one's frozen.
Ayun din lang.
Ay, tusok siya.
Look at that. Fresh from the ocean.
Welcome to Wait lang, tinayo ako.
Tita, ano masasabi niyo sa Davao?
It's beautiful. I want to stay here.
How about you?
Napakaganda. Oh my gosh, guys. This is just one beach seaside na pupuntahan natin. There's more to come. So, stay tuned. Welcome to Davao!
Heaven, you know what? Chicken butt.
Chicken back.
I already saw another, the coconuts. The coconuts.
Yeah!
Pupuntahan natin ngayon ang...
Coconut! The peanut. Huh?
Mami, say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog! Hindi ako humay pala.
Pupuntahan natin ngayon yung mga tao na aliw sa dagat. Tita Lani, say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
Eto sila. Sasabihin natin sa kanila na ready na yung buko. Hit on the floor! Guys, you know what? The buko is already ready. Look at the waves.
Look at that one, it's forming.
Ang ganda ng view. Look at the struggles.
The struggle is real. Wow, look at that all. Right, the levers.
Okay, pupuntahan na natin ang ating Donya Lani.
Hi,
Pupuntahan na natin ang Donya. Ang Donya ng mga buko. Daddy, pakita mo yung buko, di.
Hindi kayong buko.
Ito ang bukong Davao.
Ayun. Mag-o-open na po ng buko juice. Eto na, guys.
Ha? Hindi lang. Para yan. Ang dala ka mo.
Ang sabaw, sayang.
Sabaw. Ton. Kumain na. Yan.
Fresh buko from Davao. Tikman natin. Ooh, so fresh. Sarap. Lami kayo. Heaven, look.
I can't put my shoes on.
Look, oh. It's fresh buko. I will video you.
Wait. Me first.
Come on, you try it. Guys, nagtatry na sila ng buko juice. Fresh from the tree.
Mukha naman kami may inom.
Super healthy buko juice. Fresh from...
Gana.
Heaven.
Kasi ate mo na.
No, sige. Oh, you try it na. Ang daming sabaw.
Sabaw lang.
Sabaw.
Yes, sabaw lang.
I want with laman. Oh, sabaw.
Sige, Mi, inumin nyo na. Yan, Heaven, oh.
Yan na.
With laman. Look at that. Say thank you.
Guys, fresh buko. I've been craving this. Hindi ko alam paano kayo inumin.
Painom pagtapos anak na ingyan. Kasi ito nabiyak to eh. Hindi butas to.
Dito, oh.
Oh, hindi na.
Hindi si ano po, wala pa. Alvin, ito Alvin. Alvin.
Melvin.
How's the taste?
Good. Do you see this? That's good. You can see my lipstick too. Sabi ka mga yung buko.
Nakikinom ako dito.
Ano ka ba makikinom kayo din eh?
It's tunggaan na ng buko time. Cheers!
Cheers to more beach! Ang dati tumutulog.
Bye-bye!
We're here at the market and Melvin is still wet. Nakapunta siya ng palengking basa. At hindi yung visual mo. Yung shoes. Hindi naman yung shoes. Pati si Mami. Hindi naman yung shoes nilang dalawa. I don't know. I never had Palmolive po. Pink po. Palmolive. Pink po. Not the most ayun po.
Yung katabi po ng Tide.
Katabi po ng Tide.
Powder. Yeah.
Apa. Yeah. Oh, ikaw mag-ano.
Lato. Ay, naka-record na to? We're buying seaweeds here. 80 pesos per kilo. We're here at Davao Public Market. We're looking for lato. Lato and I think this is pako.
10, ilan yung palo?
Sige po, tagka mo yung kakasi sa ating ano na. Tapos baka may duyan dito.
Ayun, marami sa mga yun.
Bigyan tayong ganda.
Magkano isang tali?
10.
Pili na lang ako ng luya.
Yung pako. 10 pesos lang isang tali.
Ano yung dish ng pako?
Fern?
Oo, parang gano'n. Okay na nit. Okay na natin.
Yung mga lumpia wrapper nila dito kulay yellow.
Ano bago natin bukas na? Natagot na tayo eh.
Look at their lumpia wrapper. It's yellow.
Oh, what the heck? And it's already like...
Akala ko it's margarine.
May garlic na kayo? Wala pa na?
Wala pa.
Sabi nila isang ano.
Where are we?
We are here at the
Baganga Public Market.
Yeah. And we're currently buying
Stops for...
stuff for tomorrow. Is it for tomorrow or tonight?
Yes, it's for tomorrow and tonight.
And tonight, yeah. We're gonna be cooking some
Lobster.
lobster.
Buttered lobster.
Buttered lobster. Chef Ian is on the go. Look, show him buying ingredients.
There's...
Chef Ian, say
Chef
hi.
Ian, say hi. We're looking forward for your buttered lobster.
Wow. At makikita nyo guys, kasama kaming basang fresh.
Fresh, parang bilasa naman yan.
Siya daw yung pinaka-fresh dito sa market.
How will you know?
Maybe
It's
smell?
sweet. How does it smell?
It smells very sweet, but it's very faint. Oh, maybe not that sweet.
There's also singkamas there.
Ano to? Lemon. Wow, lemon nila nakapak na. How much for
We're buying 10 kilos of red rice. Akala ko hindi mo bibili niyan.
I want to. I love mangoes. I don't know, but I don't know how to buy. Tita Lani said just give it.
Ikaw na mag-decide. We're going to the wet market and buy some chicken breast. We're just going to buy the last ingredients for tonight's the butter, and then we're going to
like butter, Mr. DIY. Baka naman. Traffic daw.
grilling station here.
I think that's their...
That's their personal space. Do you think they have batters here?
Here? I don't know.
And here's the fruits section.
Dito natin padaanan.
Tip.
Tulog sa akin. Ayan!